Hey everybody, I just want to take a little time to let you all know of a big milestone that we've hit. Just recently, we hit 5,000 subs on Adam Makes Beer here on YouTube. It's something that I'm really excited about and very grateful for. So just kind of a big overview because we've been doing the YouTube thing for 19 months, and in that time, we've had over 365,000 views. That is over 1/3 of a million views. We've had over 25,000 watch hours. As I mentioned, over 5,000 subs. 531 videos. We've also added a merch store where you can get some sweet stuff like this hoodie. Also, we've added putting our live stream Q&A and our industry pro interview as a podcast onto Spotify and Apple Podcasts. We got our first sponsorship from our amazing sponsor, Blickman Engineering. I am just so filled with gratitude, and I'm so thankful for all of your support over the last almost 2 years, coming up on 2 years. I have tons of exciting content, amazing guests, and more coming in 2024. So stay tuned. Hope you have a great day.